Hey teachers, I hope you're hanging in there. This is Missy Feller, e-learning legacy coach and English teacher, here to show you how to change your class banner in Google Classroom by using Canva. This demo is designed specifically for teachers just like you. In this video, you will learn how to create a banner with custom dimensions in Canva, design a new banner, and upload your new banner in Google Classroom. Hey, you know what? Learning takes time, so don't get frustrated. Pause the video at any time to follow along with me. You're going to need two tabs open today, one for Google Classroom and one for Canva.com. Let's get started. Although Google Classroom provides us with some existing themes, today we're going to focus on uploading our own photo using this link here. To design a new banner, we're going to go to Canva.com. Canva is my favorite website for creating graphics, from Facebook and Instagram posts to YouTube thumbnails and more. There are some paid features, but today's demo will show you how to use their free resources. Canva does not offer a template for Google Classroom banners, so you'll need to create a design with custom dimensions. The dimensions of a Google Classroom banner are 1000 pixels by 250 pixels. When you first open your project, Canva offers some existing template designs that are easy to customize to fit your specific needs. While you can create your own designs from scratch, the easiest and quickest route is to use an existing template. When you use one of their existing templates, you can change all colors, sizes, fonts, and even delete elements. Double-click to change the text. Then use the handles to change the text box. The guidelines will appear to help you align your objects. Refer to your existing Google Classroom banner to make sure that you put text that doesn't overlap with existing text. You can add illustrations, shapes, stickers, and frames from the Elements menu. Each element with a crown is a pro paid feature, so you may need to scroll a little bit to find one that's free to use. Here's one. Click once to add the element to your project. Resize to fit. You can also change the color of elements using this color picker at the top. We're almost done designing this banner. Hopefully you have some ideas of what you would like your banner to look like. Once your banner looks the way you want it, download a copy to your computer or mobile device. Now we're ready to install our new banner. Click Upload Photo to select the graphic that we just created. Either click and search or drag and drop your photo here. You may need to resize the selected area and then click Select Class Theme. To improve the visibility of the course name, Google Classroom automatically adds a light gray overlay on custom banners. We've checked. There's no way to change this at this time. Be sure to check out my other student and teacher tutorial videos about Google Classroom and Google Drive on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see to help your students succeed. Hey, even if no one else tells you today, you're doing great, teacher. Thanks for all you do.